Hi, my name is Aydan. I'm 10 years old. I live in Newton, Massachusetts. Today, we're going to make Turkish mosaic cake. The ingredients you find here are very easy to find in your home. The ingredients you find here are 1 pack of biscuits, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a cup of heavy cream, 100 grams of walnuts, 90 grams of sugar, and 100 grams of butter in room temperature. The materials we are going to use are a pot, a whisk, and with your parents' permission, a knife, and we are going to use this cutting board. First, we want to separate our biscuits into two. The first half, we are going to break them up into teeny pieces. We want the consistency to be like sand. We want the other half to be bigger when we break them up. Now we're going to move on to the walnut. Before we start, get a parent's permission before using a knife. You don't want to cut the walnuts too small. You just want to cut them just right. Now we are going to add these 3 ingredients into our pot. Now we will stir this mixture. Later, we will put this on the stove and it will heat up. When we know it's heated up, it will start to bubble. Now, we should wait a while for this to cool down. Later, we will add our butter into this mixture. We will use our knife to pull down the butter. This is how it should be right now. Now we will wait for it to cool down so it could be more solid. Now we are going to add our mixture into our walnut and biscuits. Use a spatula to get all the sides. Now we will mix this. Just be careful because you don't want the big biscuits to be small biscuits. Now we will pour our mixture onto the saran wrap like a sausage. Now we will close each side like this. And now we want to do this. And get the air out from the opening here. Now you want to tie the ends into a knot. Next, it should look like this. After you tie it into a knot, put it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours. I've done some research and I found out that in Turkey we call this Mosaic cake, but in some other countries we call this chocolate sausage cake. After we waited 2 to 3 hours in the freezer, it's time to open the cake. As you can see here, you can see the big biscuits and the walnuts. You can make many versions of this cake by adding other ingredients. I've heard that the banana one is really good. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you want me to do more cakes, please comment down below. Bye!